At Teachmint, our relationship with institutions goes far beyond the sale, built on long-term training, service, and support that powers every classroom. Teachmint ensures that your success starts on day one with a smooth and reliable setup. We offer pan-India installations across 19,000 plus pin codes and guaranteed professional setup within 3 working days as per your convenience. A commitment proven by a 97% SLA adherence and a 15-day hassle-free replacement for added assurance. Teachmint offers comprehensive and specialized training to help institutions unlock the full potential of Teachmint X, ensuring a confident and seamless adoption. Our expert-led offline training is available for all schools and colleges, backed by the assurance of unlimited online training and refresher sessions. This commitment to empowerment is why we are rated 4.6 out of 5 by teachers. With Teachmint, you experience fast and reliable support 365 days a year. We understand that minutes matter, which is why we guarantee an instant email response within 30 minutes or a direct call response within 30 seconds. Your peace of mind is our priority, delivered through comprehensive pan-India technical support and service coverage that extends to over all 19,000 plus pin codes of the country. Secure your investment with our 3-year on-site warranty. Our industry-leading quality means exceptional reliability, with only about 2 in 1,000 devices needing a service per month. Our proven success underscores everything we do. We proudly maintain 96% excellent customer satisfaction, 85% first call resolution, and 100% application uptime. Choose Teachmint to secure yourself a comprehensive, supported, and successful experience so that your institution can operate with complete peace of mind.